Sanibona. Here sinomr Khuzwayo ngiphinde nginamukele futhi kwi-page lethu leKhula Academy. I just wanted to go over lesi sibalo. Sebebaningi kakhulu abafundi abalokhu bengi-approacha ngaso. So I just thought let me just have a look at it. Bekuyisibalo lesi kwiphepha lakho lamanje ngoJune was on that titration, that 10-mark question. So asizame siyenze ndawonye and let's see ukuthi singayenza kanjani. Okay, I can't insert leli phepha la on the video, but please I hope you can be able to download it. I'll put a picture of it and then you'll screenshot it and have it on the side or whatever. But kodwa-ke istatement sakhona besifundeka kanje. During a chemistry practical lesson, a group of grade 12 learners notices 3 conical flasks A, B, and C labeled as follows, labeled as shown in the diagram. Okay, lapa you're given a diagram with 2 beakers. I just drew lama beakers igelaw nankala. Yabo. Okay. Bagniki volume yaleyo kuqala. Okay, you weren't told ukuthi it's HCl for the first question. So let me just remove it because Batena it's just an unknown acidic solution. Yabo. Okay. Question yokuqala 7.3.1 beats calculate pH. It's a calculate the pH of H2SO4 solution in conical flask B. This was A, B, and C. Okay. So the calculator a concentration, calculates the pH ka H2SO4 before the learners mixed it with the acid in conical flask A. Okay, so going on about this, that the first question is for 4 marks, which is pretty much simple. It is calculator pH. You should know H2SO4 is diprotic, so it's able to donate 2 protons. So if you see dissociator H2SO4, you will have into SO4 2 minus plus 2 hydronium ions. Yes, so it will be having a ratio of 1:2. So since it's given here the concentration H2SO4 it's 0.12. I want the concentration yangala for the hydronium ions. So I'm going to cross multiply using a ratio, and then x1 would be 2 times 0.12, giving us to x is 0.24, which would be equal, okay, mole per dm cubed. That is the concentration of hydronium ions, H plus. Therefore, now we can be able to calculate the concentration, pH, pH will be negative log of the concentration of your hydronium ions. Should be negative log, substituting 0.24. Substituting that into your calculator, one moment. Negative log of 0.24. That gives you a pH of 0.62. That gives you a pH of 0.62. Which would make sense because you have a very, very low pH, and since H2SO4 is a strong acid, it's going to have a very low pH, which means it's very acidic. Okay, moving on to the following question. Okay, so moving on to the question which would be le engaphezulu le ka 10 marks. I just want to take this diagram, so I'm just going to take it like this. Copy on the following page. Let me get other pages now. Okay. think that's visible enough. All right. So, okay, big statement sakho. Kuthiwani manje? Kuthiwa learners are now told that, okay, let me just start it afresh, statement sakho. During a chemistry practical lesson, a group of grade 12 learners notices 3 conical flasks A, B, and C, labeled as shown below. The learners mix the contents of conical flask A and B, assuming that both are sulfuric acid solutions. The total volume of the mixture is now 500 ml. Okay, should bebehlanganise lama flask lawo mabili, ngithi yabo. So bathatha ama contents ala bawafaka ngala kule beaker le. So uzogcina usunani bagcine sebe ne volume, bagcine sebe ne solution bathe bebe assume kwabili with sulfuric acid. So this beaker would be acidic, having a volume, so 300 plus 200, which is 500 milliliters. Concentration is unknown. Okay, siyaqhubeka statement sithi learners are now told that conical flask A contained sulfuric acid. So since when we assume we assume it's sulfuric acid, flask A contained hydrochloric acid, HCl. Contained HCl solution of unknown concentration and are consequently tasked with performing a titration to neutralize 500 milliliter acidic solution with sodium hydroxide solution in conical flask C. Okay, out which indicator would be suitable. A suitable indicator for lapho HCl. Okay, so HCl. HCl kanye no sulfuric acid are strong bases, so pardon me, they're strong sulfuric acid no sodium hydroxide. Lapho you'd be titrating a strong base and a strong acid, meaning you'd have a neutral pH. Suitable indicators that has a neutral pH would be bromoethyl blue. Okay, statement says, but after performing the titration, they find that 20 milliliters of the acidic solution is completely neutralized by 16 milliliters of sodium hydroxide solution of concentration 0.305. Calculate the concentration of HCl solution that was initially present in conical flask A before it was mixed with the contents of conical flask B. Conical flask B contained 0.12 mole per dm cubed sulfuric acid. Okay, that's the statement. Here's what I want you to understand. Okay, this one, mix it HCl plus sulfuric acid, meaning you would be having a beaker that is very, very, very acidic. Yes, because these are both strong acids, so it would be very acidic. What makes an acid? What makes a solution acidic? If a solution is acidic, it means it has high concentrations of H plus ions. Maningi, yes, maningi lama H plus ions akho. On a solution that has so many H plus ions, aqhamuka HCl naqhamuka H2SO4. Nithi yabo, so lama hydronium ions aphelele la azobe qhamuka uzoba nama hydronium ions aqhamuka kubani HCl plus ama hydronium ions aqhamuka kubani H2SO4. HCl kanye no H2SO4. So buka, that is what you have to understand manje ngama number of moles if it's azobela uyaz chaza ukuthini the total number of moles that will be in this acidic solution would be ama number of moles sikhuluma ama hydronium ions la uyaz of the hydronium ions that will be coming from HCl plus a number of moles of the hydronium ions that would be coming from H2SO4. Okay, now should I mean ukuze ngithole look book H2SO4 we seen information ephelele ngayo. we know we had a volume of 300, concentration 0.12. We're good. And yet, so we have low. Let me just use a laser. No, let me just change the pen color. So buka lo sinaye lo singakwazi calculator using this information over here. Entiyabo? Umuntu esingenaye la nango. Okay, vele they are the question angithi. So thina mele sithole indlela yo calculator lo total ukuze sithole lo vele sesinaye ngithi. Buka ngiku exam uyezwa ngiku exam ngisho ngathi udideke kangakanani please ngiyacela ngisho ngathi udideke kangakanani ku exam yakho just calculate my number of moles. Yabo? Calculate my number of moles. So buka I can calculate those number of moles angithi. Okay, back to black. Turn to black. The number of moles equals concentration times volume. My concentration was 0.12 and get if volume yakhona was 300 mils. Okay, milliliter, so divide by 1,000 times 10 to the power negative 3. Liter not dm cubed, guys, is the same thing. I just hope you know that. So 0.12 calculator times with 300 times 10 to the power negative 3. Leyo nto izonginika 0.036 mole. Lama mole akabani ke njalo kodwa aka H2SO4 angithi. But mina phela khumbula lana besikhuluma ngani? Besikhuluma ngama hydronium ions angithi. Besikhuluma number of moles ama hydronium ions aqhamuka ku HCl na aqhamuka ku H2SO4. So mina I need to get those moles lawa ke azobe eqhamuka ama hydronium ions aqhamuka kulo. Ngisakhumbula ukuthi lo is diprotect. So if it dissociates nje, so an SO4 2 minus plus 2 hydronium ions. Because the ratio yakhona it's 1:2 angithi. So our number of moles of the hydronium ions would be 36 times 2, that's 72. So 0.072 moles of banige of H plus ions. Lawa aqhamuka kubani? Aqhamuka sulfuric acid. So I can just tick lo senginayo ngithabo lo sulfuric acid. Nange ngimdingayo vele lo phela uyi question. Nange ngimdingayo. Asibuyele ku statement. Sithi statement sakho. After performing the titration, they find ukuthi 20 milliliter of the acidic solution is completely neutralized by 16 milliliters of sodium hydroxide of concentration 0.305. Buka lana, let me just show you in 2 beakers. Yes. Yes. Bayabahlanganisa laba ne. So you have acidic solution and then you have sodium hydroxide. Buka lana. The acidic solution basitshela ukuthini if be neutralizer completely, the acidic solution would be ilokhuzana u16 milliliters wayo ulo 20 milliliters wayo would be completely neutralized by volume kabani ku sodium hydroxide ka 16 milliliter with a concentration of 0.305. Okay, mumbu 31. Yes. Okay. 0.305 mole per dm cubed. Yes. So le amount le will be able to neutralize if volume L by acid, if volume L 20 milliliter. Entiyabo? Okay, fine. They will be able to completely neutralize each other. So I can calculate these number of moles. Entiyabo? Lama number of moles, its concentration times volume. Concentration yam is 0.305. If volume yakhona 16 divided by 1,000 that would be 0,016. For your calculator here, so 0.305 multiplied by 0.016 kusinika abaniki kuzobe kusinika u-0,00488 moles. Lama moles aqhamuka kubani? Aqhamuka ku sodium hydroxide. It's gonna fit. Okay, aqhamuka ku sodium hydroxide. So guys, into ekumele uyazi ke lana uyazi the question kanje, the only thing ebalulekile sifuna la hydronium ions, hydroxide ions, uyazi. So they will completely neutralize each other. I-ratio yabo ka H plus kanye no sodium hydroxide, it's gonna be a 1-to-1 ratio. Yes. That is from ilokhuzane ekuthenini water no sodium hydroxide ulo plus H plus if uba reactisa bobabili, they will give you water noma siyenze kanje yes ngiyaphetha ngizoyi-complicate isidingo singekho. Here I need to bathena it's completely neutralized. Shuthi each hydronium ion paired up with each hydroxide ion, forming a complete water molecule. Whereas there wasn't going to be anything that is going to be left out. So akekho ozobe more than omunye because they completely neutralized each other. And it should there's exactly 1 mole of hydronium ions reacts with exactly 1 mole of hydroxide ions. That's why ratio yabo is 1:1. Yabo. So okuchaza ukuthini, since ratio yabo is 1:1 and I have a number of moles of the hydroxide ion that reacted, shuthi I will be having the exact since the ratio is 1:1, I will be having the exact mole azobe reactile for bani acidic solution. Lama moles lawa, okay, ungithi uyazi sodium hydroxide if ehlukana, if dissociator ubo OH minus plus Na plus, i-ratio yakhona it's 1:1 sodium hydroxide no hydroxide ions. So should senginayo ukuthi ama-number of moles lawa ama-hydroxide ions ngiwathatha ku-sodium hydroxide azobe lingana ke nawaphi nama-hydronium ions ngoba i-ratio yakhona it's 1:1. Whereas this is for bani acidic solution. Whereas bukaka kodwa ke you need to take into consideration ukuthi it was le volume le ka 16 milliliter was able to completely neutralize the volume kabani ka 20 milliliter. In total kule acidic solution, how many milliliters are there? Kade sisho nje kuqala ntathu bani u500 ithi yabo because bekuhlangane le HCl no H2SO4, so 500 mils so manje sine factor yokuthi okay ulonto njani le volume ka 16 ikwazi ukuneutralize u20 mils. Nansi la sipheleleke la naku yes. Acidic solution has a volume of 500, whereas concentration is unknown. Okay, so if kukuthi u20 nangu 20 is neutralized, whereas u20 kuphela okwazi ukuba neutralized, lo 20 mele ngimtimes kangaki ke ukuze akwazi ukuthi neutralize this whole container. Yes, to find that you just use simple algebra. But it's like 500 would divided 20 times. I can say no 0 divided by 2 25. Angithi so shuthi yabona le portion encane ya lo 20 milliliters that was able to be neutralized. If I multiply it 25 times, shuthi yonke lesithu le lokhuzane lena le solution could be neutralized. Yes, 25 milliliters. Good. Oh no, okay, yeah. So enze njani? Shuthi kahle the total hydronium ions, yes, would be hydronium ions, which are okay, the total number of moles. Moles. It would be number of moles no, I'm not saying a oh, sorry. From that and but you get lenta thing so manje sesizothini I calculated lama moles. I have ama moles azobe reactile. The total mole azobe la would be 0.00488 multiplied by 25. Noma ke siyibeke ngendlela eqondile. 500 divided by 20. Ngiyabo? Which is going to be, look for a calculator, 0.00488 times 25 kuzongikhiphela 0.122 moles. Lama moles akabani awama hydronium ions. These are your total number of moles. Ayabo? Kumbula ekuqaleni we used la from this equation. So should say now na lama moles la ngithi I can get low. Let's do that. We said number of moles total will be the number of moles of my hydronium ions at HCl plus the number of moles of my hydronium ions at H2SO4. Total mole 0.122 equals lawa qhamuka HCl ikona ngiwafunayo plus lawa qhamuka ku sulfuric acid siqale ucalculate wona nanka 0.072 then nama number of moles ke la ka HCl, just transpose this, you're gonna get into ifunayo 0.122 minus 0.072 is gonna give you 0.05 moles. It's the hydronium ions esikhuluma ngawo. Ngifuna lo ukhohle lokho, uyezwa? It's the hydronium ions esikhuluma ngawo. So usuzothini ke manje? You did have a volume yakhona vele ephelele to 200 of this solution. Concentration yakho, it's going to be number of moles all over volume. Your number of moles is 0.05. Your volume, it was 200 milliliters. 200 divided by 1000, 0.2. Yeah, 0.2. Giving us the concentration, the number divided by 0.2 of 0.25 mole per dm cubed. And that is your final answer. Yeah. I hope it makes sense. Okay, let me just brief you again on interviewing. Okay. Buka lana ke. Yes. Une solution la. You had a solution, A and B. Babahlanganisa, okay, fine. And then you're gonna have an acidic solution, NO HCl, NO H2SO4. Yes. The one thing that these two have in common are hydronium ions. So hydronium ions la in this acidic solution. Yes. Then you are told that acidic solution acidic solution. So you have this acidic solution that is full of hydronium ions. Those hydronium ions are coming from HCl. They're also coming from sulfuric acid. Yes. So the total hydronium ions are coming from HCl aphinda aqhamuka sulfuric acid. Asikhulume ama-moles awo. The total moles of the hydronium ions azobe qhamuka ku-HCl aqhamuka no-H2SO4. H2SO4 already have given information, so I know everything ngawathola at the same time. And then I calculated those number of moles. H2SO4 is diprotic, so the ratio yakhona will be 1:2. Then I got ama number of moles kabani kama hydronium ions aqhamuka ku H2SO4. Then satisfied this side. Low value yona i-question then ngimfunayo. Then kumele ngicalculate ama total mole. So bakutshela ukuthini wena? And then nansi indaba bakutshela ukuthini u-20 milliliter wale of that acidic solution is completely neutralized ngo 16 milliliter of this concentration ka sodium hydroxide. Yes. Okay, fine. Calculate ama number of moles kalo sodium hydroxide ozokwazi ukuneutralize. If you have an acid and a base and they are completely neutralizing each other, they will have a ratio of 1:1. Yes. Then you got that concentration. So njengoba available ne ratio which is 1:1. Usunawo shuthi sengila. Yes. Usunawo ama number of moles alokhuzane azobe qhamuka acidic solution of volume kabani kalo 20. Yes. Lawo ma number of moles abe ubani ke 0.00488. So buka njengoba usunawo lama number of moles lawa, it's the same acidic solution but got only 20 milliliters. Why? So that's why la bengitshengisa ukuthi it's this acidic solution. It's the same acidic solution kodwa just a small portion yayo. Yes. So if iphelele to get this total volume total moles apheleleke manje azobe ekwazi ukureacta la ile portion le kalo 20 milliliter iphindaphindeke ka 25. Yes. So izoyiphindeke ka 25. That is ilo yabona nje la kulo 500 lo ngithi volume yakho ephelele 500 all over ilokhuzane ke ivolume ekuyiyona esebenzile ekuyiyona ebi-neutralize ekuqaleni. That will give you 25. Chaza ukuthi lo 20 milliliters lo ku 500 phela u20 uphindaphindeke ka 25. Yes. So we took lawo moles lawo of that small sample, so aphinda ka 25 here. So ile small sample siphinda ka 25. That gave us some number of moles of 0.122 ama hydronium ions azobe phelele wephi in this acidic solution. Sabuyela back to this equation lekade ngiyenze ekuqaleni ukuthi ama total ile bekuyile kade ngiyenze la ngithi yabo ngaphinde ngayi-rewrite ke vele ekuqaleni bese ngimcalculateile lo angithi ngila ngiqeda kuthola the total one should sesinqobile because vele nango be in question. So manje ke by using difference sa transpose lo wazangala washintsha sign yada sathola ama number of moles of ama hydronium ions azobe qhamuka ku HCl ubani u0.05. Then besifuna concentration yakhe. Concentration equals number of moles all over volume 0.05 all over 0.2, which gives you a concentration of 0.25 mole per dm cubed. Leyo concentration leyo yama hydronium ions aqhamuka kubani HCl. Yona it's a question efuna ucabange kancane but it's more or less the same. You just know ukuthi whenever unama-questions akanje, mhlawumbe kumixa 2 different acids, into imfihlo nje isuke ihleli kumalokhuzane kwama-hydronium ions akho, because iwona causa ukuthi i-solution yakho ibe acidic. If be-reactor ne-base, they were going to neutralize each other, calculate limiting reagent, etc. yada yada yada. That would be the gist. So I hope this video was informative, and I hope you understand that. Feel free to ask any questions. I'm not going to understand. Siyabonga.